Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a manicure with StudioMPro. It's in the color Blue Funk. What a funny name, right? It is this gorgeous, gorgeous dark blue color. I just love it. I am doing a voiceover today because once again, my family was being much too loud. I am going to be doing this on all 4 fingers and then a glitter accent nail on my pinky. If you are new to my nail videos, you may not know that I have builder gel on my natural nails right now. I use that to give them strength and it helps them to grow. And I do have another video showing how I do that. I don't soak it off or anything, I just do fill-ins. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would consider it. And please give this video a thumbs up. So tell me if you guys have ever done this. I'm taking this children's polish, one of these water-based polishes that easily peel up, and this is what I'm using to for the glitter nail to make the cleanup much easier. I'm taking that and going around the cuticle on my skin, so then that way when I sponge on the glitter, instead of it sticking to my skin, it will stick to that peel up polish and I will be able to just peel it right up. Makes for much easier cleanup. I got a little bit of the kids' polish on my nails. I'm just going to take my cleanup brush and get that taken off. I'm taking this Dollar Tree makeup sponge and painting on that glitter polish. This helps your glitter polish to have much better coverage on your nails. Now I'm going to take an orange stick and use that to help get that water-based polish started peeling, and then I'm just going to go around my cuticle and get that peeled up and cleaned up. Now you really wouldn't have to take the polish off, the water-based polish off, if you wanted to go in with a second coat, but I took mine off and then realized that I did have some bald spots on the nails, so I'm just going in with another coat and repeating that step. While that dries, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the second coat of the blue polish. I have to say, you guys, I am in love with this polish. It really almost has like a gel-like shine to it. I'm going to take my cleanup brush with a bit of acetone and go around where I may have flooded the cuticles a bit. As you can also see, I got lots of blue polish on my hands that I also had to go back and clean up. Happens to me a lot with dark colors. I'm just going to take that orange stick and make sure to pat down as much glitter as I can. Then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the polish directly from the bottle and fill in anywhere where I see may need a little bit more glitter. I am taking my Sinful Colors Quick Dry Top Coat and going over the polish.
Thanks again, you guys, so much for watching.